Les Champs Elysees. This is a very happy song because it's written in major key. We will learn it in two different keys. First in D major, Fa dièse, Do dièse, and then modulate to E major. We have four dièses: Fa, Do, Sol, Re. This song consists of verse and chorus. In this song particularly, we will focus on the bow, on the right hand. For the beginning, we will start in D major. The first note, La, first finger on G string. La is up bow. And now we are at the beginning of the bow, at the frog. The following phrase, a long journey on the bow. We will start from the frog, and when we finish two bars, we will be on the upper half of the bow. The pattern is like this. We are going a big step ahead, coming back a little step, because we have a long duration legato and a short duration 8th note. This 8th note is taking me back on the bow. Let's see what we have notes. Fa dièse, La, and we continue. For the last part, we have Do, Fa dièse, Do. We will play on two strings, so we place Do, third finger on G string, and Fa dièse, second finger on D string. I will repeat the phrase. Next, we will play at the upper half of the bow. Separate notes. We start with C on G string. Last Mi took me back to the lower half, but be careful to keep a little amount of bow for La. We will repeat the same phrase, but we will end it differently. Let's see the chorus. Again, we have a pattern for bowing. It's like this. We have a long note, but not complete bow. Long note, then short notes in the middle of the bow, and then another long note take me to tip of the bow. Let's put the notes, the left hand. Fa dièse on D string, second finger. We finished at the tip of the bow. We change the bow, so we start again the down bow. The next phrase is the same as written, but different notes. We start with Sol. Sol, third finger on D string. Again, change the bow. And this part is familiar to us because we learned it at the verse. We repeat the chorus and then modulate to E major. To modulate, we will play a short bridge. Sol, third finger on D string. Now, the same phrase we will play in the new key, which is E major. We start with La. During the bridge, control your right hand speed, so you stay at the middle of the bow. Don't go extreme to the tip or to the frog. Now we enter to E major. We have 4 diezes: fa diez, do diez, sol diez, re diez, and we will repeat the verse and the chorus in the new key. The same bow patterns. We will start C, second finger on G string. For the left hand, there are notes that we will play in a special way again. We have sol diez, C, sol diez. Usually C we play it on A string, first finger, but for this part it's better to play C on the same string as the sol diez, on D string. So let's see, we will play sol diez at first. Sol diez is third finger with open distances. All of the fingers are open distance apart. This is sol diez. If we see after sol diez, fourth finger, 1, 2, 3. So 3 half steps away is C. So we can play C exceptionally with fourth finger. It will sound like this. To make it easier playing a high note with fourth finger with the pinky, make sure you free this part of your hand from the neck of the violin and make your thumb higher a bit so it helps your pinky to reach to its place. Then do diez, third finger on G string at the upper half of the bow. We repeat with a different ending. Let's see the chorus. We start sol diez, third finger on D string. Change bow. Change. We repeat the chorus, and for the finale we have the bridge again, only in E major. What do you think? Is it an easy song to play on the violin? Maybe it's a new way of thinking for the bowing part. You can practice it with the sheet music, which is included in my ebook for violin tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel to be notified about the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.